don't miss an opportunity to build people up. Imagine having never-ending pockets full of money. Now, you can't spend it on yourself. You can only give it to other people. So what would you do? Most of us would immediately go out and give away these gifts. It would feel great. But we do have this unending wealth to give, and we don't even realize it. Every time you come in contact with someone is a chance to add value to their lives. You can notice something that makes them unique, like their warm smile. You can tell people you know the strengths you see in them, like dedication or openness or compassion. When you thank someone, you can tell them how their action has impacted you in some way. It's like having pockets of money to share, and some will be small bills and some will be large ones. To paraphrase Stephen Grellett, I will pass this way only once, so any good I can do, I should do it now because I will not pass this way again. At the end of our life, if we can look back and see a trail of valuable currency flowing from our pockets like an unending path, when we see how many times we've taken the opportunity to make people feel valued, we know that we were rich in life far more than any way money could buy. Wait. Hey, it really helps the channel if you like this video to click the thumbs up. Also, comment in the section down below and make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get a notification every week. And we'll see you next week.